Storm chasers flocked to the region Wednesday to capture photos of severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. A local chaser says this was his most memorable storm chase ever. He met up with other North Dakota chasers in Linton and saw the tornadoes near Selfridge from across the Missouri River.
Everybody had their cameras out and they were zooming in, and it was ecstatic for everybody at that moment. You know, just to be together with a group of chasers from North Dakota.
Then they drove near Mound City, South Dakota, and captured tornadoes lifting and touching down multiple times.
To have it happen in the Northern Plains with everybody around and the structure that you've seen, the multiple tornadoes, and being so close to them, you could hear the roar.
His strategy of staying east of the Missouri River worked, as he was able to be in the perfect position for stunning photos and videos.